Well, I'm Massimo Agostinelli, and I am an artist that wears many hats. I am an artistic trainer in dance and physical theater. I work for Cirque du Soleil. I met Sue, the principal of the school here, and she asked me, would you do workshop with kids? And so we tried it out last year, and it worked very, very well. So I was very excited again to be invited to come back and do this again.
I was hoping to see some of those less confident students participate with more confidence. I was so rapt with what they did and how they interacted with Massimo and with one another.
It was very fun to let loose and be silly and go crazy.
I really liked how we could just engage with other people and just be ourselves.
And each year, and it's only been this year with Massimo's input last year, they get up in front of an audience and speak, and they can get up in front of anybody and speak. They don't have, I suppose, those nerves or those anxieties.
I can already feel myself feeling more confident in what I do.
And yeah, I would definitely come back, work at the school again with kids as well.